One of the most asked questions I probably get, whether it be at a trade show, an event, a truck pull, or just a customer coming in the shop, generally pertains to what clutch should I put in my manual transmission truck. We deal with Ford and Dodges every day. We stick with a couple different brands generally. But today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite clutches, and that's the Valair Quiet Dual Disc. We're going to get this thing unboxed, go over a few items about this clutch that make it different, make it special from others, give you a little more insight as to why we prefer this clutch. As you saw there, we had two boxes. Got them opened up, got everything spread out on the table here. Kind of show you a few key features of this clutch. So this clutch is actually for a 2005 and a half or newer Dodge, anything with a G56 transmission behind it. The first box there, the smaller box, contained our upgraded clutch hydraulics. Valair has a master and slave combo that really works well together. They come pre-bled. We don't have to do anything other than bolt them in the truck. It's a really nice setup. It comes with new push rod. In the second box, we had our replacement throwout bearing and throwout arm. We had our replacement flywheel bolts for the crankshaft. And then we had our clutch. Clutch comes with the pressure plate, flywheel, bolt disc, and the floater plate. As we mentioned earlier, this is the quiet dual disc, so it does have a few key features built into this that make it different from others. As you'll see here, we can kind of zoom in. We've actually got a spring-loaded piece of steel that bolts to the floater plate to help dampen that noise. It's a 3,800 pound pressure plate. This is their organic street dual disc with the quiet features, so it is only rated for 550 horse, but it's a great clutch for a towing application or a slightly upgraded truck, I guess you could say. Really nice daily driving clutch. Things Valair does mark their clutch, so they've got everything lined up for you. They use a great paint marker in addition to marking the pivot ball side of the throwout arm. They send a great set of instructions, QR code to get you to their website, get everything installed. Should you choose to try to install it yourself, obviously we can sell you the clutch, or we can sell and install this clutch. So as we mentioned before, this clutch does have those few key features designed to quiet that floater plate. It does not take care of rollover noise within that transmission itself. We really recommend anytime we have an issue with transmission or excessive noise, lash in that transmission, that we send it off, get it checked before we reinstall. So we do want to kind of touch on the fact that this is for your stock to 500, 550 horsepower range. We do have another ceramic option. It does not come in this quiet feature version. It is a little more aggressive. It's a ceramic clutch, so obviously it's going to feel a little different. Your pedal feel and noise are definitely going to be a little different. But given the increased horsepower, you definitely want to get into that ceramic version. Either way, they're both great clutches. We install both. If you'd like to get one ordered, or if you'd like to get one ordered and let us get it installed for you, give us a call.